Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Scorpio, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time, as well as guidance if any. Thank you. So Scorpio, as always, we're going to start with an angel blessing card to top your reading and see how my angels are going to bless you, and then we'll start your reading. So my angel spirit guides, a blessing or an advice card for my Scorpio gang, please. Blessing or an advice card for my Scorpio. This one, all right, thank you. Let's put this here. Put the rest back, Scorpio. So the card I have for you here is Don't Compromise. If I'm not wrong, Scorpio, wasn't this the same card you got for your last reading? So the trend continues, it seems. Let's see what you have to or not have to compromise on. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the support to the channel. I'm very blessed to have you all here today. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So this is going to be a mini read, Scorpio, just a 9-card spread to check your energies. And we will take 3 cards for new love as well at the end of it. But if any of you need a private reading, Scorpio, my email is in the description box below where you can reach me. So let's begin. The Magician in reverse, bottom of your deck, Scorpio. So is somebody trying to create illusions, trying to trick you into something? Be very mindful, okay? The Sun, 2 of Swords, and the 6 of Wands. Somebody wants to make a decision of complete happiness. They want to win here. The Strength, 6 of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Now these are 3 totally opposing cards, and these are 3 totally opposing cards. The Hermit, 8 of Swords, and the Page of Cups in reverse. So yes, there is somebody here who's wanting to be happy. They are looking for their happiness with somebody who doesn't maybe love them anymore. There is somebody here who's pulled back their love, not showing them love, but they are now thinking of ways and means of how they can, look at this person going back and forth in their mind as to what to do to get the love back of this feminine who's not showing, who doesn't have any love to give, I think. But they still see this person as their happiness, their sunlight, their sunshine, and they are trying to make some decision where they can come across maybe as the hero or win them over or make them see them in a good light here. So one more card for the Sun Spirit. One more card for the Sun. They want a transformation. Something has maybe ended in the past. This feminine has pulled away their love, their energy, but their partner is still kind of going back and forth. They're wanting to put an end to, or something as I think already ended. They want to transform it into a brand new beginning with happiness, love, joy. And this is a decision I think that this person is making and trying to figure out how to not shut this chapter down with this feminine. They are wanting to win now. They're wanting to be victorious in this relationship once again. There could be children involved with the Sun card and the Page of Pentacles, but maybe not. But there is a possibility here. This person wants to come in maybe small, and why is the Knight of... Something came to an end because of a fight here. Something came to an end in the past or stagnated because of this person's bad behavior. So they want to change that around. They want, it's like they want this wheel to turn and things to magically be forgotten from the past so something new can begin, because they still consider this feminine as their soulmate, their best friend, their partner, and they want to have this victory once again with this feminine. Strength in reverse, Spirit. Why is the strength in reverse? I think this breakup has affected this masculine more than people know. They have kind of lost their strength after this tower moment hit their life. They maybe went in the wrong direction. Yes, they went in the wrong direction here. This was a beautifully, guided connection, which I think they felt, but some tower moment hit this relationship where they don't have the strength left anymore after going in some... Yeah, they made a wrong turn here. Somewhere they made a wrong turn which disrupted this happy home. And this new beginning was stopped before it could even, mature to the potential it had. Cards are jumping out today. Yes. They delayed... This is like delayed happiness. There was a blockage in this connection, some delay happened, but now this whoever's trying to be victorious once again, one doesn't want to be confused, maybe this person had a lot of options in the past, they want to choose one now. They know who and what gives them that feeling of victory, and they want to now make a move towards this person. But I don't see that happening here. The Hermit in reverse, Spirit. This person makes very foolish moves. They have maybe been inconsistent in the past. That's why they have been left, I think, by this feminine. They have been maybe stepped out of the relationship. They've not been wise, and that's the reason this feminine has called it halt to this relationship. There is a lot of stress and worry because somebody now doesn't know how to come back, what to say, how to kind of bring this relationship back, I think. Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords. They know they haven't given enough in the past. There has been no equal give and take. And that is why now this Empress is now never going to trust them again. When the Empress is in reverse, that means somebody here has really pulled their power back. There is no fertility, growth, or abundance being offered from one partner to another. And that is really stressing them out because they can pretend all they like, but they also realize their bad faults and they know that there has been no equal give and take. And now this person doesn't know how to come back or apologize. So what's this Page of Cups, Spirit? What's this Page of Cups? So Scorpio, this could be you wanting to go back to an old partner, or this could be an old partner who has now realized your worth and is wanting to now drop that heavy burden they've been carrying of losing you, and now wanting to come in and show you love, but they have a little bit of difficulty. I think they can't really show their emotions. They want to come across as the King of Cups, right? They have a lot of love in their heart, but all they can manage is maybe that little fishy cup, which they're having a struggle with that as well. They're having a struggle even bringing a small cup of love. They have a difficulty in sharing, whether it's their finances, whether it's their love, whether it's their emotions, whether it's their life. This person is a bit emotionally manipulative. So that's why this card is here, unequal give and take. They don't know how to give to a relationship to make it balanced. And that's the reason this feminine has actually walked away from them and is no longer compromising to be in a relationship which is not going to be balanced. So I think someone here, Scorpio, is kind of just ending this story once and for all and saying no. I'm not compromising. I'm not going to carry that burden once again. I need somebody who's not a trickster in my life. I'd rather be single than accept an offer which can bring me back into my sad, dejected space. Okay, so there is somebody who's offering this cup of love, not not wanting to let this relationship completely end, and I have somebody else here who's not agreeing, is wanting not to be stuck and coming out of a stuck place and going towards their own happiness, their own stability, looking for a partner who can give them equal give and take. So Scorpio masculine, if this is you, step up to the plate, show this feminine that you can respect her as the perfect spouse, and you can give of yourself. Okay? And feminine, if it's you and it's an old partner coming back, be wary. You don't have to compromise on something that doesn't feel good. You've already done the test drive once, where you were not made to feel at your best. So be very sure that no secrets are being kept here. So keep this cup of love, I think, keep this lid on your cup of love. Till justice is not shown, don't believe any words. Somebody may be coming towards you with the emotional promises once again. So just be very sure that, things are right, and don't compromise before you're sure this time. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.